Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Iotex price prediction and Iotex news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Iotex in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, Iotex has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, Iotex has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the Iotex blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of Iotex are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's move on to the latest news of this cryptocurrency. Iotex co-founder urges crypto investors to hodl amid market conditions. The market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year, says Iotex co-founder Dr. Roland Kai. As the market dips over escalating tensions in Eastern Europe, Dr. Roland Kai, the co-founder and CEO of blockchain network Iotex, is urging crypto investors to hold on to their crypto. The Russian army recently started its advance on Ukraine, firing missiles on the second-largest European country. Following this, crypto markets took a nosedive, with all the top coins dropping between 8% and 18%, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro. However, despite the current market conditions, Kai tells holders to think twice before selling. Buying back at a lower price is ill-advised and is more akin to trading than investing, he explained. Having said that, it can be a good idea to add to your crypto portfolio when prices fall to lower your cost basis, as long as you are investing in tokens with strong utility and trustworthy docs developers. Dr. Kai's Iotex project is an Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, and, with a market cap in excess of $700 million, their token, IOTX, is one of the 100 most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Disclaimer: this article is provided for informational purposes only. It is not offered or intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. Central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanctions. According to Rob Person, an associate professor of international relations at the U.S. Military Academy in West Point, this would mean that the central bank won't be able to access most of its reserves for currency interventions or exchange dollars and euros for rubles. Yesterday, the Allies also committed to acting against the people and entities who facilitate the war in Ukraine and the harmful activities of the Russian government, taking measures to limit the sale of citizenship, so-called golden pass, so far held firm. The moving averages of 10 days, red, and 25 days, blue, have since seen an upside crossover, which keeps hopes alive of upcoming bullish momentum. Biggest losers for the third time this week, the bull of one day moved to being the biggest loser the next, as IOTX gave up some of Friday's gains. IOTX, which surged by as much as 15% yesterday, dropped by a similar percentage on Saturday, as traders appear to have secured profits. The price of IOTX United States dollar, which hit a high of $0.1195 yesterday, fell to an intraday low of $0.0965 today, as markets seem to be heading for support at 0.1120. Blockchains, such as Iotex, Avalanche, BSC, Polygon and Ethereum. POP will be the first application compatible with Pebble Tracker and MetaPebble. You can now use your Pebble's geolocation to opt into different activities like geo-fenced airdrops, scavenger hunts, and more dApps will be available soon. POP opens a brand new design space for builders to incentivize real-world activities with digital assets. Come build with us. What's next? Can't wait to start building with Pebble Tracker. Get started with our new developer documentation for Pebble Tracker that details everything from hardware specs, data fields formats, firmware packages, dApp examples, and MatchNFE portal integrations. We also have an exciting lineup of dev workshops, hackathons, and other interaction points planned for early 2022 that will bring all Pebble trackers together to build the future on Iotex. From the entire Iotex team, thank you so much for being a part of our mission to make the world a more trusted and transparent place for real-world data using blockchain and IoT. We can't wait to see what you will build with Pebble Tracker. How do you like this news? Write in the comments. Most notably, the fact that the StarCrazy token GFS is 100% player-owned, the article adds. The article compares StarCrazy with the Shia, saying that it's part of the Ethereum ecosystem, which means fees are so high they take a bite out of players' game profits. In contrast, StarCrazy is part of the Iotex ecosystem, one of the most exciting blockchain networks today, the article says. Not only does the Iotex platform support scores of amazing projects, but the network has significantly lower rates than networks like Ethereum. It also says that Iotex provides an opportunity for players to engage in P2E and NFT games with fraction of a penny transaction fees. And unlike Shia tokens, StarCrazy assets are easy to deposit, convert or withdraw thanks to Iotex. 100% player-owned Metaverse StarCrazy players also earn a percentage of every in-game transaction, and as previously mentioned, GFS is 100% player-earned and owned, making this game extremely fair and profitable to all. If that were not enough, StarCrazy's deflationary tokenomics means players' collections increase in value with time. It's almost unheard of for a game to give this many rewards and benefits exclusively to its players, so it's understandable why StarCrazy is making a big name for itself, the article says. It concludes that with all the new features coming to the StarCrazy universe, and the huge daily rise in the number of players, this up-and-coming game proves to be a better alternative to Axie Infinity in the P2E and Gamefi world. All in all, the future is starbright for this P2E gem. Iotex is really charting a new course with all new take on play to earn space. StarCrazy says let the players rule. And rule they shall. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether Iotex will survive in the next few years are unknown. Iotex is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term Iotex price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. Iotex price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Iotex will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Iotex rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the Iotex rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. Iotex average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Iotex price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Iotex could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. Iotex price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 20